everyone and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a 2023 reset, just kind of getting my life together for the new year. I'm gonna be cleaning, doing some self-care, making some goals, making a new mood board, just a bunch of things to kind of get ready for the new year. I thought this was the perfect day to do this because it's literally snowing like crazy right now, and also my apartment is a mess, so I really wanted to clean it today anyways. I am filming this before Christmas, otherwise I would just take down my Christmas decorations. I am gonna film a whole like decluttering and organizing video. Like I'm gonna declutter and just kind of get rid of stuff for the new year. I think I'm gonna do that a little bit later, so I'm not gonna really worry too much about decluttering, mostly just kind of cleaning and planning. I really just wanna make 2023 the best year yet and set myself up for success. I don't wanna start the new year with a messy space and feeling mentally disorganized. I wanna start the year knowing my goals, even starting some of my goals early and kind of getting started with some healthy habits. I wanna start the new year 2023 off great. I feel like this will really help. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below something you like to do when you take the time to get your life together or kind of like do a reset. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I hope you guys have an amazing new year, and let's just get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean. I feel like having a clean space will just make it easier to set my goals and do all the other things that I wanna do. So I'm gonna start off by cleaning. My apartment is so messy right now, so please do not judge. I'm gonna take the time to really clean it. Not only pick up the mess and the stuff that's everywhere, but also really deep clean it as well. I'm gonna dust and wipe the surfaces down and vacuum and all of that stuff as well. My room is looking much better. It's nice and clean. It's not dusty. It's all picked up. I think I'm gonna clean my bathroom now. room is all fresh and clean, ready for the new year. Now I'm gonna take some time to reflect on the previous year and make some goals for the new year, 2023. I can't believe it's already the new year, and especially 2023. That just sounds so crazy. I love looking back on my goals from last year to see which ones I actually accomplished and which ones I maybe didn't. I like to kind of dream big and just like set a lot of goals. If I didn't accomplish them all, it's okay. It doesn't make me a failure. I try to remind myself that. I use those to kind of guide myself when making my new goals for the new year. So if there's something that I still really want to accomplish and maybe I didn't this year, I might make that goal again for the new year. There's certain goals that I really crushed, maybe kind of take those and make them even bigger for the new year. So that is kind of what I like to do, and also just kind of like reflect on the year, how I grew, all that kind of stuff. So that is what I like to do. I also like to look at like some prompts. Jen Atkin, the Kardashians hairstylist, she usually posts some really good prompts. So there's one that she posts every year. I want to quit, I want to start, I want to stop. I can't remember all of it, but I'll like put it here on the screen. I filled out that one like the last couple years, so I'll probably do that one again. And then I also like to just put like 2 or 3 things in each kind of general category: financial, spiritual, health, just kind of like general categories, I guess. I like to just make a couple goals for each of those categories. I had a list of all my goals for the year, and then as the year has gone on, each month I've kind of like looked at that list and then adjusted it. So I can't find my original list, unfortunately. I've just kind of like checked things off and then erased and kind of like adjusted it. I do have a few things that I've checked off and some things that I can see that I haven't really. So I'm gonna kind of do my best to reflect. I do know that one thing that was like my 3 main things for the year, I wanted to feel comfortable like traveling alone. And I put this as last year too, 2021 and 2022. One of my goals was to feel comfortable traveling by myself, not just like on a short flight or something. Like I wanted to be able to travel internationally by myself. Like last year, this is like confusing. 2021, I was going to visit my friend Josephine, but I didn't feel really that comfortable traveling internationally by myself, so I didn't end up visiting her, and I really wanted to visit her. So I was like sad that I didn't feel comfortable traveling. Like I was too scared to travel by myself that I missed an opportunity. So for 2022, I wanted to, that was like one of my goals, and I'm happy to say that I did end up traveling internationally by myself. It's not like I was like super scared or anything. I really wasn't that nervous. It was mostly just all these like what ifs that were making me anxious. I ended up being comfortable enough to go, and I was like not scared. So I traveled by myself internationally to Europe. It's like actually like all these crazy flights. I went to Switzerland and France to visit my friend Josephine, and it was so much fun, and I'm so glad I did it. And then one of my other things was that I wanted to start posting on all platforms, because last year I was really only focusing on YouTube, but I wanted to start focusing on Instagram and TikTok, and I feel like I really did do that this year. I haven't really been as consistent with it as I wanted to, or really grown as much as I wanted to, but I think I'm definitely on the right path to do that in 2023. And I've even worked with some brands on Instagram and on TikTok. I feel like I'm definitely getting there. I want to be more consistent with it in 2023. Something that I haven't been really good at is I used to be really social. Like I used to hang out with people all the time, and I feel like ever since COVID, I've almost become an introvert. YouTube is my job, so now I like work from home, and ever since I graduated college during COVID, I have just been like, I never socialize with people or see anybody. Definitely kind of like isolated myself almost. I don't really have a lot of friends anymore. I don't know. And so one of my goals was to kind of force myself to be more social and hang out with people and just make more of an effort with friendships. Unfortunately, I kind of feel like I'm socially in the same place as I was last year. I really haven't done much in that area. So I'm definitely going to focus more on that this year and try to make some new friends. I did go on a trip with 5 girls that are signed to my same management, and I did make some new friends with that, so that's really exciting. Another thing is that I really wanted to buy a new car. My car was like smoking when I turned it on, so I really wanted to upgrade and buy a new car, and I did finally do that this year. And I love the car that I got. I got a 2023 Kia Sportage, and I love it so much. Like, it is so nice. It's like exactly, I've actually been looking for a car since like around COVID, or even maybe before COVID. I just couldn't find one that I really liked, and this one just like checked all the boxes. I know I'm gonna have it for a while, so I wanted to find one that I really liked. That is kind of my reflection of 2022. Basically some some goals that I did accomplish and some that I didn't. Overall, I would say that it was a good year. It was also kind of a lonely year, if I'm being honest. Like I should have put myself out there more to make friends. I went to Europe and traveled internationally for the first time. I bought a new car, which is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I went to California with my family in March. I went to California with my management team in September and met some other YouTubers, and that was fun. Made some new friends. The last couple months have honestly just been a blur. They've gone by so fast. Some of my goals for 2023, I'm not going to share all of them because I feel like some of them are personal. I'll definitely share some of them with you guys. For health, I have drink more water. I feel like I'm kind of bad about drinking water. Prioritize health and fitness, so like eating healthier. Spiritual, I also have this on my New Year's resolutions like every year. Read my Bible every day. I'm gonna try to actually do it this year. And then I put like join a group at my church because that would be a good way to meet friends and be more social. Financial, I put save more, spend less, save 20%, like really be disciplined about my saving. Like personal lifestyle goals, cook more. I don't really cook that much, honestly. Become more confident with driving. I get really bad driving anxiety, especially when I'm going downtown or somewhere really busy, or even just like somewhere new. I get anxious that I'm gonna get lost. I don't even know. I want to try to be more comfortable and confident driving. I also would like to find a hobby. I'm thinking maybe like film. I know a lot of people are really into film, like film pictures. So maybe I could get like a film camera and just like try to take more pictures or something. I don't really know. Please leave your hobby suggestions. And then I put just like relationships, just more social, interacting more on social media. Like I feel like a lot of people can make really good friends just on social media, and I don't really interact much on social media, like commenting on people's pictures, following people that are within my niche. So I feel like I could do a better job of making friends that way. Just like hanging out with the friends that I already have, just making an effort to make plans with them. This is embarrassing, but I put join a dating app. What I'm doing isn't working. Lastly is kind of like YouTube/business, TikTok grow / post consistently, kind of like same with Instagram. Try to like show my personality more on my social medias. I feel like sometimes I used to really show my personality. I feel like I kind of stopped doing that. I also have some measurable goals. These are the same goals that I had last year. I didn't hit like any of them. 30,000 on Instagram. I might change that to 45,000 because I just hit 20,000 and I've gotten like almost 10,000 in just the last few months from posting Instagram reels. So I feel like I could actually bump that up a little bit. 250,000 on YouTube. I've had that goal for like the last couple years. So maybe this will actually be the year that I hit it. And then I have like a specific amount for my savings, but I'm not gonna share that. And then I want to hit 1 million views on a video. Like even if it's an old video that just hits 1 million. I don't actually have any videos on my channel that have 1 million views. So I would just like one of my videos to hit 1 million views. Those are my 2023 goals. Once I've made my goals and I kind of have an idea of what I want the new year to look like, I like to make a vision board, kind of just like a visual representation of my goals. And I like to set that as my screensaver on my phone, my laptop, and my iPad, so I can kind of see my goals every time I unlock my phone. I like to pull pictures from Pinterest just because they're really aesthetic and it looks really nice on a screensaver. So I just find pictures on Pinterest that kind of represent what my goals are. It's like I want to save up and buy a new car, maybe like an aesthetic picture of like a car wheel or something. now that I have my vision board made, I'm feeling really motivated. The next thing that I like to do is just kind of plan and get organized. Also do like a digital declutter. I tell myself I'm gonna do this like every month, a digital declutter, and I'm so bad. I literally have 140,000 pictures almost on my phone. I never delete my pictures or my videos, so I definitely need to do that. Just like kind of clear out some stuff on my laptop, my hard drives. And also I actually love planning, so I do this a lot, so I feel like I'm actually pretty organized in a planning sense. I love looking at my calendar for like the month and the week and the next month and just kind of getting everything organized. I did a whole video on how I set up and use my digital calendar, so I'll link that here. I feel like this is the perfect time to get a digital calendar set up, so I'll link that here if you guys want to check out that video. I highly recommend. Now that I'm feeling organized, physically my space is clean, mentally I'm organized, I'm feeling motivated with all of my goals, the last step is self-care. So I'm actually about to go to a nail appointment right now and get my nails done, so a little glow up so I can feel fresh going into the new year. I'm also gonna get my lashes filled, and then I think I'm also just gonna do a little self-care refresh tonight. Here's how the nails turned out. They look so cute. I'm so obsessed. Like, these might just be my favorite nails ever. So I did like these silver chrome French tips. Perfect for the new year. I literally love them. I definitely recommend getting these nails. And then I also got my eyelashes filled, so they're nice and full. Everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment below something you like to do to just kind of get prepared for the new year. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. That way you can see all of my 2023 content. I have a lot of fun things planned for the new year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an amazing new year, an amazing 2023. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.